Welcome to our video series, Learn Rhino 3D in 11 simple ring band projects. In this skills portion of our video series, I'll take you through working with the Ortho Constraint. Ortho allows us to specify the angle at which the movement of the cursor is restricted when ortho mode is active. This command is very useful to keep lines and shapes moving in specific directions. Let's try the command creating a line. I'll go ahead and maximize top view. I'll enter in the line command, and I'll start my line in a random spot on the construction plane. If we notice above, ortho in the status bar is not turned on. I can end the point on my line in any direction. The cursor is not constrained, so go ahead and click and end the line. Now let's try with ortho turned on. I'll enter in my line command. I'll start my line at an arbitrary point on the construction plane. I'll draw out my cursor. Before I click, note where I draw my endpoint that cursor movement is restricted. We can also use the Shift key to toggle ortho on and off. Let's try a line again. I'll enter in the command, press enter, start my line. I'll draw out my cursor, and if we note here, ortho is not toggled on. However, if I hold down the Shift key, note how ortho is now toggled on, and I can constrain my cursor movement. If I want to change the angle for ortho, I can customize it. I'll go to Rhinoceros, Preferences. I'll choose Modeling Aid. If we notice under the Grid Snap option, we can choose to constrain our ortho snaps to every specified degree. I'm going to keep it at 22.5, but if you'd like to change it to 45 degrees, for example, that's an option as well. You should now have a good idea of how to use ortho to constrain cursor movement when drawing objects such as lines or shapes. Stay tuned for the next video, working with the construction plane or C-plane.